In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates, quotes, and proposals in QuickBooks Online. Estimates in QuickBooks Online are a great way to show your customer what you plan to charge before you actually invoice them. They can be used as quotes or proposals, and once the customer approves, you can easily convert them to an invoice. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll create a new estimate. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the plus new button at the top. Click that, and under the Customers column, choose Estimate. Depending on your layout, you might also get there by going to the Customers menu and selecting Estimates. Either way, this opens a new estimate form where you'll enter all the details. Next, you'll enter your customer information. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Customer or Customer Job. Click the drop-down and select an existing customer from your list. If this is a new customer, choose Add New and fill in their basic details. Make sure the billing address and email address are correct because those are what QuickBooks will use when you send the estimate. You can also add an expiration date so your customer knows how long the quote is valid. This is optional, but it's helpful for managing expectations and keeping your pricing clear. Now let's add the products and services you're proposing. In the Products and Services section, click into the first line and choose the item from your list. You can add as many lines as you need. Adjust the quantity and rate for each item so the total reflects your proposed price. If you don't see an item you need, you can create a new product or service on the fly. This is also a good place to add a custom message or note to your customer, such as a brief summary of the work, special conditions, or a thank you message. Clear notes here can reduce back and forth questions. Before you send it, you can customize how your estimate looks. Click the small gear icon, then choose Custom Form Styles. From there, you can adjust the template, logo, colors, and what fields show on the estimate so it matches your brand. When everything looks good, you're ready to send. Click Save and Send to email the estimate to your customer. A preview of the email will open, and you can edit the subject and message before you actually send it. If you need to create another estimate right away, choose Save and New instead. Or, if you prefer to hand your customer a paper copy, click Save, then Print or Preview to print a physical version. And that's how you send estimates, quotes, and proposals in QuickBooks Online.